Hi. Welcome to CAD International. Please find awesome features of our AutoCAD course. 1. Training led by Autodesk certified instructors. 2. Autodesk 2024 software with license for your personal device. 3. International live project support. 4. Lifelong free refreshment at any CAD International branches. 5. ISO certified training institute with government accreditation in UAE. 6. Internationally valid certificates plus Autodesk USA certification. Last but not least, CAD International is the one and only exclusive Autodesk authorized training center in UAE for CAD products. For more information, please log on www.cadsharjah.com or visit our branch in Buhaira Corniche, Sharjah. We would like to have you on board soon.